look just at Tesla alone, and you look at a company with a $54 billion valuation,
Right.
and seemingly by typical market metrics, no justifiable reason for that.
What are you saying?
I'm just saying, I'm
Sir,
curious.
sir.
I'm just, in all seriousness, do you feel a concern ever that your intellect and your intellectual curiosity and your ingenuity cannot be matched by those that are trying to commercialize it? Does that ever affect how you think or decisions that you make?
Well, it is actually, I find it quite tough when there are very high expectations. I try to actually tamp down those expectations as to be possible. In fact, I've gone on record several times as saying that the stock price is higher than we have any right to deserve. And that's for sure true based on where we are today and have been in the past. So the stock price obviously reflects a lot of optimism about where Tesla will be in the future. And now the thing that makes that quite a difficult emotional hardship for me is that those expectations sometimes get out of control. And I hate disappointing people, and so I'm trying real hard to meet those expectations, but that's a pretty tall order, and a lot of times it's really not fun, I have to say. A whole lot less fun than it may seem. So, yeah. I mean, I don't ever sell any stock unless I have to for taxes. So, I've said publicly, I'm not going to take money off the table. I'll be last. I'm going down with the ship. So I'll be the last to do it. Yeah, I mean, I really wouldn't recommend anyone start a car company. I really wouldn't recommend it. It's not a recipe for happiness and freedom.